Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to play Roamer in Mobile Legends. First, go to your web browser and open the link as shown here. We will add this link in the description below. You just need to follow these steps. At the start of the game, you just buy roaming equipment, which is designed to enhance the effectiveness of roamers. It comes with the movement you have purchased and offers 4 distinct blessings: Conceals, Courage, Favor, and Direct Hit. Having roaming boots also grants you 2 unique passive effects: Devotion and Thriving. To offset this, Thriving gives you extra 25% EXP and gold from assets. Additionally, it gives the ally with the lowest gold or EXP a certain amount of set resources every few seconds. But if you have the lowest gold or EXP in your team, you gain 25% more of the bonuses. Upon earning 600 gold from Thriving, your chosen blessing will be unlocked. The power of the blessing scales with the gold from Thriving, up to 1500 gold. Roamers are expected to move around the map strategically to help their team. You can leash your jungler for them to get the purple or orange buff much faster. Go to a lane to pick off an enemy or help an ally, or invade the enemy jungle. However, it's essential to exercise caution when roaming, as it can also harm you or your teammate. Before leaving a lane, make sure that your ally can handle it alone. Also, keep an eye out for missing enemies on the minimap and assess your available skills before making a move. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.